Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and my friends call me Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be unboxing and showing you the new 5 amp hour lithium ion Powerstack pouch cell battery. The model number is DCBP520. It gets its name because the cells are literally stacked one on top of each other versus the previous designs where they were cylindrical batteries all lined up in a row. This design runs cooler and delivers more power. DeWalt says it's their most powerful battery in its class to date. So first I'm going to show it to you the way that I received it in this beautiful presentation box. When it comes to DeWalt, everything is always top notch. When you open it up, it does give more details, and some of these things I'm going to go over here in a minute, but it says our newest battery really packs a punch and it is compatible. Now I know when I went to Baltimore last year with the original Powerstack unveiling, at the time they were saying that it was compatible with 250 power tools, and now it says 300 plus and growing. So there's a look at that. Here are the pouch cell batteries. I'm talking about how they're stacked. If we were to take a cross section of this, that's what it would look like on the inside. And then here it is, the battery is nestled in this nice foam. There's a hang tag in here that says, enjoy an exclusive opportunity to be one of the first to put the DeWalt Powerstack battery to the test. And I am very grateful for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out and show you what it looks like compared to the previous 5 amp hour batteries that I know we all have and recognize. So here's the previous generation. Here's the new 5 amp hour Powerstack. So you can see it is quite larger in size. I think this might be a little squattier though. Yeah, it's not quite as tall. And then, so here's the original Powerstack. So it looks like baby bear, mama bear, and papa bear here, all lined up in a row. And so there is the evolution of those batteries. So all of the information that I got from the press release claims that this has 50% more power than the DCB520. Then it gets a bit technical with the things you got to read at the bottom and says not in application. So I guess that means while not being used. It goes on to say it's more efficient with 50% more work per charge. Again, with the technicality that's based on unused energy, not in application, which is sort of confusing to me because I honestly don't care what its power is if I'm not using it. Okay, so another stat, it has 2 times the lifespan compared to the DCB520, which is a better investment. And for the price of batteries anymore, you really have to look at them as an investment like they are. This battery is compatible with all DeWalt 20 volt tools and features the 3 LED work light fuel gauge that we're used to. And the bottom does have the protective non-marring rubber overmolding, which I'm gonna be honest, if I could have my way when designing batteries and tools, I really think they should all include that, especially the tools where they have the high points where they might get bumped over. In length, it appears to be about 5 1/4 inches. It's about, I'm gonna call that 3 1/4, and then in height to that top part here, I'm gonna call that 2 1/4. You can see the size difference between the 2 amp hour. Now this one I believe is 0.7 pounds and this one is 1.5 pounds. It has a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Acme Tools has it available on pre-order now. It's listed for $299, but marked down to $249 for a single battery. A 2-pack is listed at $400 and on sale for $369. Again, it's available for pre-order, scheduled to ship around the 15th of December. I don't know if the price will actually go back up to when it was originally quoted after Christmas or if the prices will remain the same. I also looked at Toolnut. I only found the 2-pack available for $369 with the same scheduled ship date of December 15th. I don't see them listed on Amazon at all. They just have the original 2 amp hour ones available on Amazon. I'm gonna go outside and try it on a couple different applications. I do know when I demoed the original in Baltimore last year, now we had 2 things running at the same time, but you can see the performance was different. You could almost actually hear that it was different. If you're interested in this product, I'll provide shopping links in the description. Please follow me here on YouTube and also look me up. I'm on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, I thank you for watching and supporting my channel. And until next time, take care.